Hey guys, I'm here to unbox the new Gigitech HDMI KVM switch. The Gigitech HDMI KVM switch comes with 8 HDMI cables, 8 AB USB cables, a manual, accessories and a power supply. KVM is a device that gives you control to multiple computers. This single gate device allows you to have remote access. It not only improves time, and it also improves efficiency. This is your output panel. You can plug in your external monitor using the HDMI connection here. Please note that this also supports 1080p displays. You've got a USB port for your mouse and for your keyboard. This device also supports multimedia keyboards and mouses, as well as Mac mouses and keyboards. The USB hub port allows you to connect printers or flash drives or any other external hard drives to your system. There are 8 ports for your multiple devices. Ensure to plug in both HDMI and USB on each port to control each device. I will now connect 2 different devices to my KVM switch. They are an Apple Mac computer and a Windows PC. I have connected my output monitor using my HDMI cable and my mouse and my keyboard for my control panel. On one channel I've got my Windows PC, and on the separate port here I've also got my MacBook Pro connected. I will now control both of them from my output port and my keyboard and mouse. The green lights indicate that your devices are connected. To select a particular device, simply press the button once and the light now changes to amber. As you can see, I'm now using my mouse and I've got complete access to my Windows computer. To switch devices, simply press the button again just once. Now the light changes to amber and I've got complete control. In 2015, I'm privileged. As you can see, complete access. Go back to the first one and I'm back here again. You can also use the keyboard to switch between different ports. Be sure to review your user manual for your reference. If you want to customize your hotkeys, please refer to the manual. If you experience any loss of signal, please use the reset button located at the front of your device. This device is fantastic for either home or office use. If you have any more questions, please send us an email. Thanks.